Hello everyone. I have made a simple circuit in which the following components are used: a RB LED, a SPST switch, a 3.7 volt battery, a 1K resistance, and wires. Let me explain you all the flow of current in my simple circuit. The positive current from the positive pole of the battery flows via the SPST switch through the resistance to the positive pole of the LED. LED means light emitting diode, and the negative current flows from the negative pole of the battery to the negative leg of the LED. Let me give you a quick demo of its working. Hope you liked it. Thank you so much.